Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Demons as recorded by Imagine Dragons that you can find on the Uke Play-alongs channel. This is the Halloween song for 2025. In this video, first of all, I'll talk about the chords you need to play the song on GCEA ukulele, first in the key of D, then in the key of C. Then I'll talk about what chords you need to play the song in the key of D on baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming. If you want to support this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, the Uke Play-alongs channel and the UkeStuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. On GCEA ukulele, so soprano, concert, tenor, in the key of D, there are four chords you need. This is the key that's closest to the original. It's lowered by a half step. So you'll need the D chord. Lots of options to play the D chord. I generally play it with my first finger at the top of the third string, second fret, and my other two fingers around it. You can play the D chord with two fingers. You can cover strings 4 and 3 and then add to string 2. You can play fingers 1, 2, and 3 in a row. You can play fingers 2, 3, and 4 in a row. You can even bend your ring finger and leave the first string open and play strings 4, 3, and 2. Whatever works for you. Then there's the A chord. Then there's the B minor chord. Now this is a bar chord. You're going to take your first finger, put it right across all 4 strings, right above the second fret or right in between the first and second frets. That's going to make it the easiest for you. And then you're going to pull against the fretboard like this because your ukulele is being held by your strumming arm. So you're going to pull against that fretboard, and then you're going to add your thumb for some light support. That should be pretty good. Remember, you're not really pinching, you're pulling. So if you're feeling a lot of pinching to do that, you don't want to do that. You want to do more pulling. It's going to be easier on you, using that leverage to your benefit. And then you reach over and, while doing that bar chord, play the 4-string 4th fret. That's the B minor chord. And then finally you have the G chord. And those are the 4 chords you need to play Demons on GCEA soprano, concert, tenor, ukulele in the key of D. Now let's talk about the key of C. Now, as a note, the key of C is going to sound a little strange. It's a minor third below the original, and the voices start getting a little strange at that point. However, some people aren't going to like the bar chord that you need to do to play the key of D. So here are the easier chords in the key of C. You'll need the C chord, the G chord, the A minor chord, and the F chord. And those are the 4 chords you'll need to play Demons by Imagine Dragons on GCEA soprano, concert, tenor, ukulele in the key of C. Now let's talk about baritone. On baritone ukulele, DGBE ukulele, you have 4 chords. You'll need the D chord, you'll need the A chord, you'll need the B minor chord. Now for the B minor chord, I put my first finger on the first string, second fret, my second finger on the second string, third fret. I reach over and play the 4-string 4th fret with my ring finger, then add my pinky. That's your B minor chord. And then finally the G chord. And those are the 4 chords you need to play Demons in the key of D on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now, as it comes to strumming, please remember that there was no ukulele used in the original version of this song. As a result, there's not one single right answer here. So there are a million things you could do. There are 3 rules when it comes to strumming. First of all, play the right chord at the right time. Second, keep a steady tempo or a steady beat. And third, make sure that whatever you are playing matches the style of the music. As long as you're doing those 3 things, you are right. There's not one single right answer. Now, if you really can't figure out anything on your own, that's what this part of the video is for. As I listen to it, I hear a part that feels like it is picked, and then I feel a part that feels like it is strummed, and I have those marked in the play along. So for this picking part, I'm going to give you a couple of options. The first one is to play strings 4, 3, 2, 1 twice through, like this. Then you change. Then you change again. Then you change again. That's the first option for picking that will work really well during that time. The other one is to pick strings 4, 2, and 1 with a claw. So the thumb picks string 4, the first finger picks string 2, and the second finger or the middle finger picks string 1 at the same time, leaving string 3 untouched, and then pick those and then do what we did before, which is play the thumb on string 3, and then string 2, then string 1. So it sounds like this on each of those chords. Then change. Then the B minor chord. Then the G chord. So it's picking 1, 2, 4, and then 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. And by the way, when I'm picking 4, 3, 2, 1, generally my thumb plays strings 4 and 3, and my first finger usually plays string 2, and my middle finger plays string 1. And I personally do anchor my pinky when I'm picking. Some players don't like to do that, and they just like to float. Whatever works best for you, you are welcome to do. Now, in terms of the strumming here, this one's, I think, much easier. I hear down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down in those faster parts, something like this. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down works really well for the strumming in this song. All right, so with those chords and that strumming, that's all you need to do to be successful on Demons by Imagine Dragons. Happy Halloween 2025. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.